Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression visitors get of your home and a critical component of security. If your door is old, damaged, or outdated, it could be compromising both your home's safety and its curb appeal. Upgrading to a new, high-quality door can significantly enhance your home's security, aesthetics, and overall value. Here's how Layton homeowners can benefit from replacing their doors. Reinforced security features for better protection. Security is a top concern for homeowners, and your front door plays a crucial role in deterring intruders. Many older doors, especially those made of hollow wood or worn-out materials, are easy targets for break-ins. A new, secure entry door offers heavy-duty materials like steel, fiberglass, or solid wood, making forced entry more difficult. Multi-point locking systems for enhanced protection beyond a standard lock and key. Reinforced door frames that prevent prying or kicking in the door. Smart locks and keyless entry systems that allow remote access and security monitoring. By upgrading to a modern security-focused door, you can significantly reduce the risk of break-ins while gaining peace of mind. Curb appeal. Instantly boost your home's aesthetic value. A new door isn't just about security, it's also a major curb appeal upgrade. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and passers-by notice. A stylish, well-designed door can make a great first impression, increasing the overall beauty of your home. Complement your home's exterior style, whether modern, traditional, or rustic. Add a pop of color, enhancing the overall charm and personality of your home. Increase property value, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you prefer a classic wooden entryway, a sleek modern design, or a bold colored statement door, a well-chosen new door enhances the entire look of your home. Improved weather resistance and durability. Layton experiences a range of weather conditions, from harsh winters to hot summers. An outdated door with cracks, warping, or poor insulation can allow drafts, moisture, and even pests into your home. New weather-resistant doors offer energy-efficient insulation to keep your home comfortable year-round. Sealed edges and weather stripping to block out wind and rain. Moisture-resistant materials that prevent warping, rotting, or rusting. UV-resistant finishes that maintain their look even under constant sun exposure. With a properly installed modern door, you can protect your home from the elements while reducing maintenance and repair costs. Energy efficiency. Save money on utility bills. A well-insulated, energy-efficient door helps regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cool in summer and warm in winter. Features like Energy Star certified materials, which minimize heat transfer. Double or triple pane glass inserts, allowing natural light while reducing energy loss. Foam-filled cores, improving insulation and reducing drafts. By upgrading to an energy-efficient entry door, Layton homeowners can lower energy costs and reduce their carbon footprint. Low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Old doors often require frequent repainting, repairs, or refinishing to keep them looking decent. New doors made from fiberglass, steel, or composite materials offer minimal maintenance, with fade-resistant and scratch-resistant coatings. Long-lasting durability, resisting dents, warping, and rot. rust-proof hardware, ensuring smooth operation for years to come. A low-maintenance entry door saves time, money, and effort while keeping your home secure and stylish. Smart door features for modern convenience. Many homeowners in Layton are embracing smart home technology, and modern doors come with integrated security features such as smart locks with keypad or fingerprint access for keyless entry, video doorbells and motion sensors to monitor visitors and potential intruders, remote control access, allowing you to unlock your door from your smartphone. By choosing a smart entry door, you improve security and increase convenience for everyday life. Increased home value and ROI. A new, high-quality door is one of the best home improvement investments you can make. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with modern, secure, and stylish doors. By upgrading your door, you can increase your home's market value and appeal, attract more buyers if you plan to sell in the future, potentially qualify for lower homeowners insurance premiums due to added security features. With security, curb appeal, and energy efficiency all improved, a door replacement provides a strong return on investment. Final thoughts. The smart choice for Layton homeowners. For Layton homeowners, upgrading to a new, secure, and stylish entry door is a smart decision that offers multiple benefits. From enhanced security and energy efficiency to curb appeal and long-term durability, a professionally installed new door is a valuable investment in your home's safety and beauty. If you're ready to boost your home's security and curb appeal, consult with a trusted door replacement expert in Layton. A well-installed, high-quality door will provide lasting comfort, protection, and elegance for years to come.